Tired of switching between multiple wrenches? Check out this universal Torx wrench, an adjustable ratchet spanner that handles bolts from 8mm to 22mm in one tool. Made from tough chromium vanadium steel, it's built for torque and durability. Use it on Torx, hex, and standard bolts, perfect for bicycles, motorcycles, cars, and home appliances. The ratcheting head makes fast work in tight spaces. It's compact, versatile, and replaces a whole set of wrenches, saving you time and toolbox space. Whether you're a DIYer, cyclist, or mechanic, this adjustable spanner is a smart addition to your toolkit. Ready to tackle any bolt with just one tool? Check the link in the description below to buy this universal Torx wrench now. Thanks for watching, and get turning.